Dr. Tamara, we usually ask our guests a bunch of rapid fire questions, so hopefully this is not too painful. But the idea of this is we're going to ask you some really random questions, and feel free to answer them, but you've only got like 3 seconds to answer them. So we're going to kick it off. Who's your favorite reciter or qari of the Quran?
Oh my goodness. My 3 seconds are over, I think. I don't have I suppose amongst men, Affasi, sort of, kind of. Because I prayed behind him.
Kuwait. Yeah, fair enough.
Yeah.
Okay, all right, Affasi. I mean, yeah, everyone's neighborhood reciter. He's amazing. My kids listen to him every night. What was the last book you were reading?
The last book I was reading, it was Yellow.
That's good to know.
Yeah, because I read in the end of February, I read only Yellow books. Oh my goodness. I think it was, oh my God, I can't remember it right now. I'm so sorry. I didn't know it was going to be.
I don't need the title. I don't need the title of the book, but just tell me, what's this about Yellow books? You've got me curious.
In my home, I have my books arranged by color, the books that are upstairs. And we had 4 days left of February, and I thought, what am I going to read next? Because I had just finished what I had been reading before that. And so I thought, you know what, I'm going to read Yellow books. So I can finish all the Yellow books on my shelf, and I can say I've read all of my Yellow books. And so I pulled them all down, sorted them out between the ones I'm keeping, the ones I'm reading, and the ones that are reference books. And I started reading through my Yellow books.
That's so awesome. That's really awesome. All right. What's your dream breakfast?
In a restaurant. I like to eat. My dream breakfast, I don't know. I like to eat, I like the Bosnian fried bread with the cream and...
Oh, that's the best. Honestly, that's probably one of the best things ever. You know, you feel like you've put on 10 kilos afterwards, but it's really good. It's really, really good.
It really is, yeah.
If you were to have dinner with one person of your choice who's alive, who would it be? Sorry to put you on the spot off the bat.
Dinner with one person who's alive. I mean... I don't know. I'm sorry.
How about if they someone of the past who's passed away, but not the Prophet ﷺ, who you would love to have dinner with?
Nana Asma'u.
Who's that, sorry?
Nana Asma'u. I would love to have dinner with her and hear from her everything that she did and why she did it, and learn all the things that we don't know and that we know we don't know.